Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly download videos from Loom. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is pretty straightforward, and there are actually a couple of ways to do it, which I'll be showing you in this video. Now, the first one being the most simple. So you want to navigate to a video that you want to download on Loom. Now let's actually go to the home page so we can see a couple of videos provided by the Loom team themselves. Okay, so here's one. So once you guys find yourselves on Loom and you find a video that you want to download, like let's say for to keep a copy of for notes or maybe as a reference for work or something like that. So what you want to do is if you have the Loom video ready, you want to click on it normally like this, and it would redirect you to a page where you can watch the said video and view its script and stuff, like as you guys can see on my screen here. So there's a transcript, the activity, some comments that people may leave, but this one is just an example, so it doesn't actually have any comments on it. But anyway, once you find yourselves on this page rather, you want to click on the three dots on the top right of the video for more actions, and here you are. And that's it. It's that simple. So you want to simply click on download video and you're done. Now you have a copy of the video saved to uh, your computer's hard drive. Now I should note that uh, the format that the videos come in when you download a video from Loom are always in MP4. So just as a reminder. Now the other way is to navigate to your library, and normally this is where you would keep a history of your previously watched videos or saved videos, and you would basically do the same thing. So I'll click on this one right here, and it's pretty much the same deal. Just click on the three ellipses on the top right and click on download video, and you're done. So yeah, that's how you can download videos on Loom. So if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we have guides like these uploaded daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel, as well as make sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.